Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wanted to personalize your Samsung Galaxy phone with a unique ringtone but weren't sure how, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the steps to set a custom ringtone on any Samsung Galaxy phone. So let's dive right in. Before we start, make sure you've got the audio file you want to use as your ringtone saved on your device. It can be a song, a sound clip, anything you like. Got it? Great, let's get started. Open the Settings app on your device. You can find it by swiping up from the home screen and searching for Settings in the app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Tap on Ringtone. Here you'll see a list of default ringtones that come with the device. To set a custom ringtone, tap on Add or the plus icon usually found at the upper right corner of the screen. This might slightly vary depending on your model. Now you'll be prompted to choose the audio file you want to use as your ringtone. You might need to navigate through your folders to find where your desired sound clip is stored. Once you've found and selected your audio file, tap on Done or OK to set it as your ringtone. And that's it. You've successfully set a custom ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now every time someone calls, your unique ringtone will play, making your phone truly yours. A quick tip before we wrap up. If you want to use a specific part of a song as your ringtone, you can use various apps available in the Google Play Store to edit and crop the song before setting it to your ringtone. It's a great way to make sure your ringtone starts exactly where you want it. And thanks for watching, folks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.